Miss Young, come on up.
Good evening, morning.
Don't look at his computer.
I was trying to get the time.
How's jail?
Evening. So,
How's jail?
treating us beautiful.
You know, we can't get you to come. We can't get you to appear.
What happened with this officer?
There's always an excuse. It's really easy.
This right here is the judge's biggest frustration. If you can't even call your lawyer, how can a court trust you to follow bigger rules? Simple actions, big consequences. Would you take a risk on someone like this?
Just pick up the phone and call Josh. How hard is that? You know, that's all we literally ask you to do is remain in contact with your lawyer. That's all you got to do. We've repeatedly tried 4 different times. Your lawyer's asking me to let you out to get in this program, but I know if I let you out, you're just going to
No, sir.
take off.
I'll do the program. That's not the problem, sir. Honestly, with the phone situation, that's how he has a whole different number since last time I came. I don't even have that number. And with the transportation part, I don't have a car. So the way I move around is either using the bus or my feet, sir. And last time that I did come, I came on my own. No one told me to come. No one called me. I knew I ended up.
The defendant insists they turn themselves in. Judges hear this all the time. But the real question is, does intent matter or only the official record? What do you think?
I knew I ended up missing it, and I came.
Unless you're wearing orange. That's the only time we see you.
No, sir. I turned myself. I came in myself after I missed my court date, and I came in by myself.
When?
I can't give you a date, but if you look on there, I sat here and waited till everybody even left. Okay?
She turned herself in and she got arrested. Can you tell? If you turn yourself in, that would make me very happy. But if you just got arrested and that's why we have you,
No, sir. I came to court.
Young, she's on the jail doc. Last page. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me.
I'm trying to fool anybody, sir. Are you able to get that up for me? Okay. Get on there. Because it was like 2 days. Yeah, like it was 2 days after my court date. I came. No one called me. I just knew I missed it. I didn't have no ride, but I made sure to get up there. So that's how I got my date first time.
I'm sure the booking date was 12th Judge Fleischer. That's all I can see.
That's when I came. I've been here.
Where did you come to?
Sir?
Where did you go to? Did you turn yourself in the jail? Is that what you're saying?
Sir, I went to the Franklin Street, if I'm not mistaken, Franklin. 1200 Franklin, where all the court is at. Where I was supposed to go the first time. 1200 Franklin, if I'm not mistaken. Honestly, I don't even remember what day. This time? I can't.
You know what we could do is we could do this. Is that if we're going to do this, you know how we do that release? We release the people? Something like that. So we know that she gets to the P180 place. Where is it? Where did the interview? Do you know?
Yes, I do. Not like an inpatient. Something would be different.
Where does it happen? Do you know? Do you know where the interview happens, Josh?
I'm not sure, like, physically where you want. Because I guess she wouldn't be released to that program. She'd just be released.
Do you have a date already for it? Do you have a date for it?
Yeah. So.
The judge dropped a warning. One more slip, and it's over. This is classic courtroom tough love. But is it fair, or is the judge running out of patience?
There's like a way to get online. They said you have to send the contract PTI. P180 contract. So, which I think is what we have now. So I think we should be able to schedule it now.
Okay, so let's schedule it, get a date, and then I'll put a GPS monitor on her prior to release. I'm not going to do this again. You ever take off on me again, I swear on everything that's holy, that'll be the fifth time. Do you understand? So I'm not giving you a PR bond now. So just wait, get a date. We'll set it for like the day before, and then we'll give her a PR bond with a GPS prior to release. The instruction is she goes directly to get the interview done, and then we'll go from you. But I'm not going to continue to play this game.
But I'm not playing a game, sir. It's been cold. Like, what do you expect? It's been 20 degrees, sir. 20 degrees. You know how hard that is to actually say,
Fingers so frozen that you can't make a phone call?
sir, I just got the phone. That's what I'm telling you.
If you need resources, we can give it to you. If you need a phone, if you need a tablet, if you need food, we have resources to give you. But you take off, you don't call, you don't come to court. So what are we supposed to say?
Here's a reality check. Missed calls and excuses don't sit well in court. Do you think someone should lose their freedom over poor communication, or is the system being too harsh?
We just can't keep. I've got 4 different jobs. I can't continue to do the same thing.
We should.
Do it and we'll see.
Okay.
Sir, you are charged with 2 cases. You're charged with evading arrest and detention. You're also charged with failure to identify oneself, giving fictitious information. On the evading, you were facing up to a year in jail, and on your other case, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used.
And here's the first big issue. Judges don't take kindly to excuses. If you can't even pick up the phone for your lawyer, why should the court trust you with freedom? What do you think? Should missed calls really cost someone their chance at release?
Against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford one. One will be appointed to you, sir.
On January 6, 2025, officers responded to assault in progress in Harris County, Texas, and met with the complainant, who reported a young black male involved in an assault. The complainant identified the defendant, and the officer attempted to detain the defendant when the defendant fled when he saw the police. The officer pursued the defendant on foot, and the defendant was located by the officer after approximately 100 yards after attempting to enter another apartment. The officer instructed the defendant to surrender. The defendant then jumped down from a second-story stairwell in an attempt to flee. The defendant was then apprehended by the officer while the defendant continued to resist. Once detained, the officer attempted to obtain the defendant's date of birth and name. The defendant would not provide a date of birth and gave a false name. After multiple attempts, the defendant provided the requested information.
Okay. So was he the one that they were actively investigating?
He was identified by the complainant as being involved in assault, and they tried to investigate him for that assault.
What happened with that?
So, further information about that. So, in regards to the original assault, it was determined that no assault occurred, but it was after the statement.
Sure. Okay. Mr. Godfrey, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with both of your cases. How old are you, sir?
17.
What do you do for a living?
I'm searching for a job right now. I'm going to work at the warehouse.
Did you graduate from high school?
No, sir.
You need
Sir.
to get back into high school.
So that's what I'm working on right now. We working on putting me back in school. I'm getting back on track.
Who are you here with today?
My aunt, she's parking.
She's what?
She's parking. Like, she's paying for parking right now.
Is that Aunt? Are you Aunt?
No, sir. She's down. She ain't make it upstairs. I came up here. She's
I'm
looking
going to
for
give you a
parking
lawyer.
spot.
I'm going to give you a lawyer today. I want you to get back in school, and I'm making that a condition of your bond. You have to graduate from high school. You will be in this life. Education is where it starts. If you don't have an education, minimum high school diploma, you're going to be making pennies to when everybody else is making dollars. Do you understand?
Sure.
So I'll give you a lawyer today. I'm going to have you talk to the lawyer. We're going to figure out how to get you back into school. I'm going to give you 2 to 3 weeks, and when you come back, I want you to show me that you've either enrolled into high school or you start working on your GED. If you've done nothing, it's not going to go well for you. No smoking weed. I'm going to test you. I want to make sure that you're not using as well. Do you understand? I'm sending you for a drug test now because I want to make sure that you're not using. Is that in? No. So, can you appoint him a lawyer, please? All right, I'm going to have you sign a resale with Victoria. I'm going to have you get with free trial. Then I'm going to have you go take a test. I'm going to have you come back, and then I'm going to have a lawyer when you come back. All right? Come up, Mr. Godfrey. Did he test positive for anything? Or what? Mr.
Wow.
Godfrey.
This just turned motivational. Knowledge is power. The judge isn't just sentencing, he's mentoring. But here's the big question. Can courtroom speeches actually change a life, or do they fade once a defendant walks out?
Mr. Godfrey, you know, this life is a journey. It's either a really great journey where you go on nice vacations, you buy nice cars, you buy nice clothes, or it can be a rotten, miserable in existence where you never have money, you're constantly fighting with everyone because you got no money, you have no education, so you'll never get any money, you have no trade, so you'll never get a good job. It starts now while you were 17. It doesn't start when you're 32. Life. Start to build your life now because there's only one way that you're going to go. You're either going to go up or you're going to go down. Make it a good life. And it starts with knowledge. Knowledge is power, and you get it with education. And I want to see you do it. So you're going to get back into school. And number two, I'm going to test you 45 days from today. If you test positive for marijuana again, life is not going to go well. Do you catch my drift? So what we're going to do is we're going to bring you back in about 2 to 3 weeks. I want to see what you have done to get either back into high school or to work on your GED. If you need help, we have resources that we can give you to help you get free GED classes. But if you've done nothing in the next 3 weeks, again, it's not going to go well. So I want you to become someone, not another statistic, in and out of custody, because you start doing things just to get money the wrong way. That's not the way to go through life. So,
Final turning point. GPS monitor, program check-in, and zero tolerance. This is the court's version of last chance. Would you give them this opportunity? Or has the defendant already used up all their strikes?